These water-clear quartz Vogel wands carry a refined, luminous presence, each facet guiding energy in a precise and coherent flow. Hand-cut with intention and aligned to their natural geometry, they rest comfortably in the palm, making them powerful companions for healing, meditation, and focused intention work. Clear quartz is known as the universal energy channeler, amplifying thought, balancing the field, and opening the mind and heart to higher guidance. As you work with this wand, clarity deepens, energy steadies, and intentions move effortlessly into form, a rare and beautiful tool for conscious creation and spiritual alignment.